We'll go out for pineapple, my little bubbly-headed bubbly-boo.
Skipper, look.
Analysis.
It looks like a small incandescent bulb, designed to indicate something out of the ordinary, like a malfunction.
I find it pretty and somewhat hypnotic.
That too, sir.
Right. Rico. Manual.
Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost engine 1. And engine 2 is no longer on fire.
Buckle up, boys.
Don't look dull. This might get hairy. Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. The bad news is we're crash landing. When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever. But thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
Do something, Kyle! I tried! Look out! Weeds. Tim? We just wanted to know what was in that hose. Why? Because it was there. It was hydraulic fluid. And what better way to find out?
Raise your arms, Maurice. It's more fun when you raise your arms like this. I can fly.
This could be it, Marty. I just want you to know you were truly a one-in-a-million friend.
Thanks, buddy. You're the best ever.
I know you won't mind when I tell you.
Come on, tell me anything. Tell me what.
I broke your iPod.
What?
You're so small. It made me mad.
The horror.
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna kill you.
It was an accident. It's an accident. I'm sorry. Get you to it.
I love you, Gloria. I always have. Like you love the beach, or a good book, or the beach.
My goodness, doll, you're shaking like a leaf. Rico, you've had your fun. Pull up. Gear down. Gently now, you just want to kiss the ground. Just a little peck, a smooch like you're kissing your sister. I said kiss it. Now just a little break. Just a touch. A little whisper. I believe that's checkmate. Commence emergency landing procedure. Flaps up. Deploy.
You dimwits haven't even been here 2 minutes and you've already messed up someone's topiary garden.